Hello, learners. Welcome back to Medical Professor. In this lesson, we are going to practice 50 negative sentences in the past simple tense with irregular verbs. You'll learn how to say sentences like I didn't go, she didn't eat, they didn't come, and more. This practice will help you avoid common mistakes, improve your grammar, and speak English more fluently. So get ready to listen, repeat, and practice with me. 50 simple past negative sentences with irregular verbs. I didn't go to school yesterday. She didn't eat an apple this morning. They didn't come to the party. He didn't see the movie last night. We didn't buy any fruit. She didn't make a cake for us. They didn't drink coffee yesterday. He didn't write a letter. I didn't find my keys. She didn't speak to me. They didn't take the bus. He didn't run in the park. We didn't give him a present. She didn't wear that red dress. He didn't break his phone. I didn't begin the project. She didn't sit on the sofa. They didn't sing a song. He didn't swim in the pool. I didn't drive to work. She didn't tell me the story. They didn't sell their house. He didn't teach the class. I didn't catch the ball. She didn't sleep well. They didn't forget my birthday. He didn't stand near the door. She didn't draw a picture. We didn't win the game. He didn't choose the right answer. They didn't fly to London. I didn't ride a bike yesterday. She didn't send the message. They didn't keep the promise. He didn't cut the paper. I didn't hold the baby. She didn't fall off the chair. They didn't leave early. He didn't bring his notebook. We didn't hear the noise. She didn't lose her wallet. They didn't meet their friends. He didn't pay for the tickets. I didn't understand the question. She didn't speak at the meeting. They didn't eat dinner at home. He didn't go to the park. I didn't see him yesterday. She didn't drink any tea. They didn't come on time. Well done, everyone. You just practiced 50 negative sentences with irregular verbs in the past simple tense. Remember, in negative sentences, we use did not plus base form, not the past form. For example, I didn't go is the correct sentence. We do not say I didn't went. Keep practicing these sentences daily, and soon you'll use them naturally in your conversation. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Medical Professor for more English grammar and speaking practice. And tell me in the comments which irregular verb is most difficult for you in negative sentences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.